loads better. Well done.
Compared to yesterday.
Loads
I
better.
think sometimes I need like something like a bit to happen. For me
Yeah,
to
and then you to reflect on it and then come back stronger.
Yeah.
Good. Agreed. Certainly. I would signal for the bus. Because then if you change your mind and want to let him out, you can cancel your signal, and then I wouldn't signal to come back, but the cancel of the signal can often be a nice signal and a sign to the bus driver that you're letting them out.
Okay. Yeah.
So say, for example, part of the way through that manoeuvre of moving out to the right, the bus wanted to come out and you wanted to let him go.
Yeah.
You'd literally cancel your signal and stay behind him.
Yeah.
And now that should be enough for the bus driver to work out what's what, shouldn't it? Okay, lovely. Nice bit of work, nice job. Now, this is the most important question. I don't know whether I've asked you or whether you're even asked. You're a red or a blue?
A blue.
You're a blue.
Yeah.